Are you waking up every single morning feeling completely exhausted, as if you've been working heavy labor all night? Your joints ache for no apparent reason. Your hair is thinning, and you live with a constant, suffocating brain fog that destroys your focus at work. You visit doctor after doctor, run thousands of dollars in comprehensive blood tests, only for the doctor to smile and say, everything looks completely normal. You're just a little stressed. But deep inside, you know with absolute certainty that your body is failing you and something is draining your vitality every single day. The shocking truth that nobody tells you is that you are suffering from a hidden biological war called silent chronic inflammation. The dark secret is that your energy, immunity, sleep, and even your mood are not controlled by your heart or brain. They are locked inside your gut. Your gut is not just a tube that digests food. It is your body's primary biological factory, producing over 80% of your immune cells and secreting over 90% of your serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and mental clarity. So, how does this disaster happen? The ultra-processed foods we consume daily, toxic refined seed oils, massive amounts of sugar, and cheap synthetic supplements flood your system, causing severe surgical level damage to your gut lining. In a healthy state, this barrier consists of tightly packed cells, but under constant dietary stress, it becomes severely inflamed and porous. This is a medical condition known as leaky gut. When these tight junctions break, toxins, undigested food particles, and harmful bacteria leak directly into your bloodstream, triggering a massive systemic fire across your brain, joints, and organs. To extinguish this biological fire and restore your peak physical performance, basic antioxidants won't do anything. We need a targeted 4-step biological protocol. Step 1. Stop the damage immediately. Cut out refined seed oils and sugars completely. Otherwise, any treatment you take is completely useless. Step 2. Rebuild the wall. This is where the hidden hero comes in. L-glutamine. This amino acid acts as biological cement, rebuilding damaged intestinal cells and permanently sealing the leaks. Step 3. Repopulate the ecosystem. Reintroduce beneficial bacteria using high-potency clinical probiotics paired with prebiotics to nourish them and starve out bad bacteria. Step 4. Shut down systemic inflammation. Utilize bioavailable anti-inflammatories like liposomal curcumin, which penetrate cells at a cellular level to extinguish inflammation rapidly. When you execute this protocol correctly, you will feel reborn within days. Your energy will skyrocket, brain fog will vanish, and your digestion will operate at peak biological efficiency. Your health is your ultimate investment. Don't compromise with low-grade formulas. Get pure, clinical-grade gut repair formulas directly from iHerb and use discount code DIZ6274 at checkout to claim your exclusive savings and take control of your biology.